What up guys, your boy 610 coming at you from 6 Reviews. It's been a while, but I have a completely empty gym. So with an open gym, I get to do a performance review of the Puma Uproar Hybrid Court Thunder. It's a mouthful, but at the same time, love the yellow on the shoe. Balled in them yesterday in a TCBL game, and to be honest with you, my foot felt great. The court traction was amazing, although the court was really clean. So again, like I said, anytime you have any signature basketball shoe or any of the main brands doing a basketball shoe, you're gonna have great traction right here. I will say that I'm really liking what Puma's doing, especially off the court with their social media. And I will say with this one right here, the colorway, the feel of it, the retro inspired feel of everything, I'm loving it. Ignore the AirPods because with an empty gym, I gotta listen to something while I'm shooting around. Also, on a side note, I am wearing my Kyopo pants. This is my clothing line. These are the black pants, gonna be coming out soon. They are, they're just like, yeah, they're sexy. That's all I have to say. They are sexy. Alright, y'all, so I thought I was gonna just be like practicing by myself and working on my jumper, my, just get my sweat on. But now I got this fool that just walked into the gym. And so we are gonna have a one-on-one battle. This is Tyrone, Coach T, gonna get destroyed by 6 Reviews, AKA Puma Baller, AKA everything that you want it to be. AirPods might have to come off now. Woo! Shoot for ball, shoot for ball. No, that doesn't count. Next one. Shoot for ball. It's gotta be at least a 3 ball. Clank! That's cash. I'm gonna edit a lot of the clips to make it seem like I was better than what I was today, but I'll be honest with you, I was not playing that well. But I do not blame that on the shoes, because the shoes itself are pretty good. Now, they are better than the Clydes. I will say the Clyde course, the Clydes, the Disruptors, they are a good basketball shoe. The first wears, or the first few wears aren't the best. However, if you wear them continually, they do get better. Now with these ones here, the Uproars, now these ones, like right away, they feel good. The traction on it, I won't say it's the best traction you'll ever have. However, it definitely has a better court feel than the original ones. Not the original ones, than the other version, not even the other version, the first Puma hoops. But this one definitely has a better court feel to it. I'm loving it. The colorways are dope. This is definitely going to be in my rotation. If I were to give it a review out of like a number system, I'd give it like a 5 out of 6, just because I got 6 reviews, but 5 out of 6. If you have wide feet, they're pretty good for you because they don't pinch at the top of your foot. So I do have a wide foot. I did go true to size. They are a size 9. It is definitely cop. If you are looking to cop these shoes, I'll put where you can cop it in the description below. But it's not gonna be all over the place, but your local Foot Locker will have it. And again, just other places. I'll put it in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys are interested in copying, this colorway is dope. You will not regret copying this colorway because it's sexy. Thank you, T, for losing to me and playing one-on-one. He's too sad to say anything. So, thank you for watching. This is your boy 6 coming at you from 6 Reviews. Shoot us. Oh, I never drop it even with just